Hello, my name is Brad Thurman from General Glass International. I'm talking with you today about how we are handling the COVID-19 pandemic at GGI. Like many of you, we have enacted social distancing programs, deep cleaning plans within our production environment, our office environment, and inside of our logistics and transportation equipment. In addition to that, we're communicating every other day with our customers. We're sending out email communications, letting them know that we are here to help them in their time of need. We're here to produce materials and deliver on time and as fast as possible. In addition to that, many of our employees are now working remote who have never worked remotely before. In order to help this transition, we are having multiple meetings daily using Microsoft Teams. We utilize video chatting so that we can make people feel that they are still part of the larger group, so we can see one another, we can still communicate. During the video chats, we do things to liven them up a little bit. Some of the meetings we have, we'll wear funny t-shirts, we'll share our favorite drinks, we'll introduce each other to our children who are home during the pandemic as well. In addition to that, we're utilizing training, lots of training. We're going over how to use our operating systems, our filing systems, and we're also refreshing ourselves on the courses we took last fall at MyGlassClass.com. Our goal is to be better as a team, as individuals, and an industry when we emerge from this pandemic. Here's to hoping you and your families stay safe. Look forward to seeing you again soon at an industry event.